Welcome to a new lesson here at FN-FOREX Academy where we learn, trade, and succeed. Before we dive in, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's grow and succeed together. Welcome to lesson 2 of this course. So if you have gone through lesson 1, what is forex trading, and you have any questions, you have any doubt, please make sure that you have your book. A solid book like mine here. So this is basically, I've been using this book for about 4 years now, right? So I got this book when I started learning how to trade. And this book has helped me a long way in such a way that any course I have taken, if I had any difficulty or any questions, I write down in the course, right? If I had any lessons, I write down in the course. So have your book where you're going through all the courses. If you have any questions, all the lessons, if you have any questions, jot it down in your book so that when it's time for question and answers, you can ask your questions and we answer you. So lesson 1, what is forex trading? I believe by now, if you're getting to lesson 2, you should be able to understand or explain to somebody what is forex trading. So lesson 2 now, we are going to look at importance of learning how to trade the forex market. Why should you learn how to trade the forex market? What are some advantages in trading a foreign exchange market, right? So we are going to go back to our course right here. Okay, so advantages of learning how to trade the foreign exchange market. Before I go to this advantage of learning how to trade the foreign exchange market, we all want that freedom. We all want to make money, right? That's the highest advantage. We want to learn this skill, we want to learn this high income skill so that we are able to earn a living. You want to learn this high income skill so that you can maybe buy a dream car like I bought my GLE last year. You want to learn this high income skill so you can elevate your family from poverty, build your mom a house like I'm doing right now, travel the world like I traveled last year, right? So at the end of the day, it's about the freedom and the money. But there are some advantages in learning how to trade the forex market over other financial markets. There are some advantages in learning this particular skill called forex trading over other income skills, which we are going to be looking at as we go ahead. So the first point, accessibility. The forex market opens 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This allows traders to participate in their convenience, whether during the day or at night. Also, traders can access the market from anywhere in the world as long as there is internet connection. So this is where we are now. So we are here. Right? Advantages of learning how to trade. Accessibility. Why is it that trading gives you that freedom to travel the world and still trade? Because you can trade the foreign exchange market anywhere you are in the world. As long as you have your phone, you have a tablet, or you have your laptop, the right knowledge, which is what you are getting now, and an internet connection, you are good to trade the foreign exchange market. Excuse. And that's one reason why we have more Africans trading the foreign exchange market than stocks exchange. We have more Africans trading this particular high income skill than other high income skill like dropshipping, right? Because the forex market is easy to access. It is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, right? So if you're working during the day, you can trade at night. If you're working at night, you can trade during the day. You can trade breaking money, right? It gives us that accessibility. For us Africans, it reduces that gap between developing countries and developed countries, right? Me being in Africa, being able to trade and make way more than those who are in the US, right? It's because I'm able to access the foreign exchange market. The foreign exchange market is accessible to everyone, whether you are in the US, whether you are in a developing country, whether you are in your village. As long as you have the right knowledge, you have your laptop or your phone, and the right broker to give you access to the market, you are good to go. So that's one of the first advantages of learning how to trade the foreign exchange market, accessibility. Secondly, high liquidity. When we talk about liquidity, when you have liquidity in the foreign exchange market, think of money, right? The forex market is the largest financial market in the world, or the largest financial market globally, with trillions of dollars traded daily. The foreign exchange market, when I started learning how to trade, it was running on about $4.4 trillion a day. But as of now, it's about $6.6 trillion, and it keeps increasing as days goes by. If you do research now, it must have increased, it must have gone past $6.6 trillion, right? What does that mean? Liquidity. Money is the market, right? How much can you remove from the market? That's one thing I always tell everybody. This is that high income skill. This is one skill which you should not have a problem teaching as many people as possible, because there is enough money for everybody, right? Today, I closed a trade on $1,800. Now, that $1,800 from that $6.6 trillion, how much did you remove? How much did my students remove? How much did another trader remove? The money is there. The liquidity is there. And that is that one advantage when it comes to trading the foreign exchange market. Now, one other advantage for this liquidity. What is this liquidity? Money, right? When money circulates in the market, what happens? It gives you opportunity to get in, buy, sell, right? In the foreign exchange market, we are simply buying and selling, right? We are simply buying and selling. Now, what causes the market to buy? What causes a particular currency pair to buy? Or what causes a particular currency pair to sell? When there's liquidity, when transactions are going on, exchanges are going on, right? As these exchanges are going on, the market is fluctuating. It is moving, going up, or moving and going down, giving you opportunities to make profit, right? But without liquidity, we will not be able to make profit in the market, right? So I'll just simply go to my chart and I'll explain more of the movement on the chart so you understand. Though I will not really want to dive into the chart right now, since some people are completely new. I don't want to dive to the chart because I might dive to the chart now and it gets you confused, right? But me going to my chart now is just to explain that part of liquidity, right? Being an advantage. So I will just simply share. I'll simply share my MetaTrader 4 right here. I just want to get a chart. Okay. We have a chart here. This chart has not been set up. Let me just go to the bar chart. Okay, what I'm explaining in terms of liquidity is this, right? What I was explaining in terms of liquidity is this. You look at the chart right here. We have these candlesticks that are going up and going down. The ones that are going up are buying. The ones that are going down are selling, right? So this movement is caused by the liquidity we have in the market, the money we have in the market. If there's no money in the market, the chart does not move, right? If there's no money in the market, the chart consolidates like this, right? The chart will consolidate. But when there's liquidity, the chart moves. So let's take, for example, you took a buy trade at this point and the trade buys, you make profit. But let's take, for example, you took a buy trade at this point and the chart keeps consolidating, you don't make any profit. So that's another advantage of the liquidity part of trading, right? So that liquidity helps us in such a way that we get the opportunities to get in, buy, make profit, or get in, or sell and also make losses, right? It's not only about profit. You can either make losses or you make profit, right? So that is it for liquidity. Now let's go back to our course outline. Back to our course outline. So the first point, accessibility, easy to access. The second point, high liquidity. The third point, low transaction cost. Compared to other markets, forex trading usually has lower fees and spread, making it more cost efficient. Low transaction cost. Now, aside from the cost you pay to learn how to trade, right? To access the market is very easy. Nobody's going to ask you, come and give me $1,000. Let me give you access to the market. All you have to do is just create your brokerage account with a recommended broker Xness. they give you access to the market, right? You're not paying any cost. You probably will pay a cost to the broker when you start trading in a form of spread, and it is going to be very low. The fees are very low, right? Spread is simply the cost you pay to the brokers. We are going to look at that under key concepts in trading. That's in lesson 3, right? But the cost of actually accessing the foreign exchange market is very low. And that explains why, again, everyone can access the foreign exchange market. That gives us advantage as Africans. That gives us advantage as developing countries with no job but opportunities and no opportunities to make money. With very little amount, we can access the foreign exchange market. So the cost of actually accessing the forex market is very low. And the fees you pay to the brokers while trading, or the fees you pay to them for giving you access to the market is very low. It's even unnoticeable. Like when you place your trade, they cut that charges in the form of spread. You will barely even notice that. So the cost of trading is very low. And if you want to compare it to other high income skills, you have to pay a lot of money to access these high income skills, right? Well, back in the days, there were times where they sold forex courses for $2,000. There are still people that sell forex courses for $1,500, right? You might have purchased this one for just $100, right? But now, that is that. Once you have purchased the course, you have the right knowledge. The cost you are going to pay to the brokers to give you access to the market is very, very low. And that is one big advantage why we all should learn how to trade the foreign exchange market. The fourth point under advantage of learning the foreign exchange market, diverse trading options. Traders can choose from various currency pairs, commodities, and even cryptocurrencies, allowing for diversification, right? Now, we are talking about the foreign exchange market, forex currency pairs. But now, does that mean that you are going to be guided towards trading just the foreign currency pairs? No. You are able to diversify to trade other commodities, metal like gold, silver. You're able to trade other cryptos, right? Most of us are familiar with crypto, BTC particularly, Bitcoin, right? But you can trade Bitcoin, you can trade Litecoin, you can trade Ethereum. All of these with the knowledge you get from forex trading. And with the right broker like Xness, that's going to give you access to not just forex currency pairs, but also give you access to other commodities, other indices, other metals, and other cryptocurrencies. And now this cryptocurrency now coming in place give you additional advantage, because the foreign exchange market, that's the forex currency pairs, the market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, right? But the cryptocurrencies are open 24/7, which therefore means that you can trade your currency pairs during the week, Monday to Friday. On Saturdays and Sundays, if you are bored and you want to trade, you are able to trade cryptos, right? The crypto market is open 24/7. That gives you that diversification. With just the knowledge you have with forex trading, you're able to diversify. As we go ahead, we are going to be doing chart breakdowns along the way. We are going to be looking at not just forex currency pairs. We are going to be doing chart breakdowns on metals like gold, silver. We are going to be doing chart breakdowns on BTC. Where is BTC today? What is happening to the price of BTC, right? That is the diversification that comes with actually learning how to trade the foreign exchange market. That sounds nice, right? So, okay, I think we have had this point under accessibility. The forex market open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. So these are some of the advantages of actually learning how to trade the foreign exchange market. But I know that at the end of the day, the big advantage for all of us is to have that financial freedom. The big advantage for all of us is to see that forex trading gives us that financial freedom. And I can guarantee you this: if you're going to take these lessons very serious, follow the plan we are going to give you, follow the risk management strategy we are going to give you, and keep learning from your mistakes, forex trading is definitely going to give you that financial freedom the way it has done for me, the way it has done for my other students, the way it has done for other young Africans and other traders worldwide. So far, this is it for lesson 2, advantage of learning how to trade the foreign exchange market. If you have any questions, make sure you jot down so that during our question and answer sessions, you are able to ask questions to us directly. Lesson 3, we are going to be looking at key concepts in forex trading. Key concepts in forex trading. We cannot go ahead without looking at some of the key concepts in forex trading, some of the key terms in forex trading. Like if I go ahead, you probably will not understand what I'll be saying, right? So lesson 3, we are looking at key concepts in forex trading.